Out of a bunch of burgeoning battery businesses, Enovix is just another one developing next-generation lithium-ion batteries designed to significantly increase energy density, storage capacity, safety, and charging performance. Or is it? Let's see how its approach has been doing and what that means for time to market and its broader business prospects further down the line. To stand out from the big battery pile, innovation is concentrated on achieving a fundamentally new battery architecture that enables the use of a 100% active silicon anode, a long-standing goal in battery technology. Silicon can theoretically store more than twice as much lithium as graphite, but traditional jelly roll battery designs struggle with silicon's swelling and cracking. Enovix's stacked 3D architecture is engineered to accommodate this expansion by applying controlled stack pressure, improving durability, safety, and performance. Founded in 2006, Enovix built its technology around reinventing battery structure rather than relying solely on materials improvements. Drawing on expertise from the semiconductor and hard disk industries, the company developed a stacking-based design that replaces rolled electrodes with multiple short anode-cathode pairs, improving packing efficiency and thermal and mechanical behavior. Since 2018, Enovix has sampled cells to customers who have validated performance. Then manufacturing scaled progressively. The first time production revenue was recognized was in Q2 2022 from its U.S. pilot line, Fab 1. In 2023, Enovix expanded globally by selecting Malaysia for high-volume manufacturing at Fab 2 and acquiring Rootjade in South Korea, enabling vertical integration of electrode coating and battery pack manufacturing, as well as entry into conventional graphite batteries for IoT, industrial, and defense markets. Fab 2 officially opened in August 2024 at Penang Science Park, with 3 lines: an R&D pilot line, an agility line, and a high-volume manufacturing HVM line. Battery shipments from the agility line began in October 2024, and site acceptance testing for both agility and HVM lines was completed by year-end. To be specific, these have been shipments of EX1M cells and sampling EX2M cells following completion of second-generation HVM line testing in December 2024. The acquisition of Rootjade added manufacturing capacity in South Korea, electrode coating, and diversified product offerings. Supply chain geodiversity is emphasized for second sourcing and safety stock to mitigate risk. Today, Enovix operates as a single-segment company, with corporate functions in the U.S. and manufacturing and R&D primarily in Malaysia, Korea, and India, targeting mobile, IoT, defense, and future EV applications. Since Enovix's battery technology is built around a fundamentally different cell architecture that uniquely enables the practical use of 100% active silicon anodes, its main selling point is it unlocks a significantly higher energy density than conventional lithium-ion batteries. Moreover, by replacing long-wound electrodes found in traditional jelly roll cells, Enovix's use of many small electrodes stacked orthogonally to the largest face of the battery results in an appealing design for manufacturers. Since the change dramatically reduces mechanical stress and enables precise control of silicon expansion, silicon anodes can theoretically store more than 2 times the lithium of graphite, but have historically faced 4 major challenges: formation expansion, low formation efficiency, cyclic swelling, and short cycle life. Enovix's architecture directly addresses each. During initial charging, silicon can more than double in thickness, generating pressures of up to 1,500 psi. In conventional cells, this force acts on a large surface area, creating destructive loads. Enovix's design redirects this pressure to much smaller faces, reducing force from roughly 1.7 tons to about 210 pounds in a phone-sized battery. A 50-micron stainless steel constraint system further limits swelling and keeps materials under constant compression. To solve silicon's poor formation efficiency, where up to 40 to 50% of lithium can be trapped during first charge, Enovix adds a pre-lithiation step. A thin internal lithium source replenishes lost lithium and provides a reserve to support long-term cycling. Short diffusion distances in Enovix cells allow this process to complete in hours rather than weeks. Cyclic swelling and particle cracking are controlled by the constraint system, keeping total swelling below 2%, better than graphite-based cells. Enovix reports cells exceeding 500 charge-discharge cycles with minimal expansion and at least 80% capacity retention. These advantages enable higher energy density batteries for mobile devices, computing, and IoT products, supporting power-hungry features such as AI and advanced connectivity. The architecture also improves thermal conductivity, positioning Enovix's technology to support faster charging, lower-cost electric vehicles as EV adoption accelerates. Beyond just designing its batteries, Enovix designs the manufacturing processes required to produce them at high volume and low cost. It leverages conventional lithium-ion production methods such as electrode coating, packaging, testing, and aging while integrating proprietary technologies at critical steps like cell assembly. These include laser patterning, precision stacking of electrodes, and the application of a stainless steel constraint system. Electrode fabrication follows established industry processes originally developed in the early 1990s, involving slurry mixing, coating onto metal foils, calendering, and slitting. Enovix brought this capability in-house in 2023 through its acquisition of Rootjade. Where Enovix differentiates itself is in cell assembly. To move past traditional lithium-ion cells that rely on jelly roll winding or cut-and-stack methods, Enovix uses a proprietary roll-to-stack process in which electrodes and separators are laser-patterned and directly stacked using high-speed automated tools. This precision assembly enables its silicon anode architecture, improving energy density and cycle life. Battery packaging and formation are largely conventional, with one key addition: a pre-lithiation step during packaging that introduces an incremental lithium source, improving formation efficiency and long-term performance. On the product side, Enovix shifted in 2023 from a broad, standardized approach to a vertical strategy focused on a smaller number of large customers requiring custom battery cells. It works directly with OEMs to optimize batteries for specific requirements such as size, energy density, charge rate, and cycle life. Enovix organizes development around scalable battery nodes, for example, EX1M, EX2M, EX3M, each delivering step function improvements in performance. The acquisition of Rootjade also expanded Enovix's product portfolio into conventional graphite batteries for IoT, medical, industrial, aviation, and defense markets. Rootjade adds patented encapsulation, Zeed folding technology, and in-house pack assembly, serving more than 50 global customers with highly customized solutions. As a result, Enovix's competitive edge sharpened around its proprietary battery architecture, manufacturing processes, and vertically integrated R&D and supply chain strategy. To commercialize this architecture, Enovix developed a custom proprietary manufacturing process that is not available off the shelf. Over multiple generations, this has resulted in a deep portfolio of patents and trade secrets, all internally developed rather than licensed, with a history that reaches back to 2011 when it received its first patents. Enovix reports internally validated full depth of discharge cycle life up to 1,000 cycles, overcoming a key historical limitation of silicon anodes. Its architecture also enables safety innovations, including brake flow, which regulates current at the busbar level during internal shorts to limit overheating and inhibit thermal runaway. Fast charging capability is another advantage, with demonstrations of 0 to 80% charge in 5.2 minutes and 0 to 98% in under 10 minutes on test cells, enabled by efficient heat dissipation through the stainless steel constraint system. The company has validated its technology with customers across multiple form factors, including wearables, smartphones, and laptops. Enovix plans to de-risk EV adoption by first scaling in high-volume consumer electronics before expanding into electric vehicles. R&D efforts focus on improving energy density, cycle life, fast charging, safety, cost, and manufacturability, while also developing EV-specific batteries and next-generation anode and cathode materials. All crucial components to stay competitive in the lithium-ion battery market, which is highly competitive, comprising large incumbent suppliers and emerging technology developers. Major incumbents such as CATL, Panasonic, Samsung SDI, LG Energy Solution, and Amperex Technology dominate supply to mobile devices, IoT, defense, EV, and energy storage markets, primarily using conventional lithium-ion designs with limited silicon content. Automotive OEMs are also investing heavily in in-house battery development, particularly for EVs. At the same time, emerging companies are pursuing improved lithium-ion chemistries, silicon anodes, and solid-state batteries, often in partnership with established suppliers and OEMs. Enovix's competitiveness depends on its ability to deliver superior energy density, safety, cycle life, cost, and scalability, supported by strong customer relationships and a clear product roadmap. In this regard, it believes its differentiated architecture and manufacturing approach position it well against both incumbents and new entrants. This belief has been evidenced to a degree by shipping second-generation EX2M battery samples to customers from its Fab 2 plant. The EX2M shows a 10% energy density improvement over the EX1M, which is starting to enter mass production. The EX2M is expected to launch in 2026, maintaining Enovix's energy density lead in the smartphone industry. Enovix also received its first mobile phone customer purchase order, marking a significant achievement tied to a joint development agreement. Enovix aims for strong revenue growth in 2026 and continued expansion in smartphone battery production. This expectation is fueled in part by Enovix's second milestone in a development agreement with a leading smartphone OEM, triggering payment for customized sample battery cells. These samples meet the OEM's specific requirements for cycle life, fast charging, and energy density, which Enovix claims exceed current market offerings. This achievement helps build credibility along with the successful completion of an ISO 9001:2015 audit of the Fab 2 facility, which received formal certification, raising the official quality and safety bar to attract more customers in the future. After the EX2M, Enovix may shift attention to scaling up the relatively new AI-1 battery platform for smartphones running AI applications. The first batch of 7,350 mAh silicon anode batteries was shipped to a smartphone manufacturer for qualification testing, targeting mobile integration in 2026. Specs-wise, the batteries offer an energy density exceeding 900 watt-hours per liter, fast charging, 20% in 5 minutes, 50% in 15 minutes, and over 900 cycles in typical smartphone usage. AI-1 isn't Enovix's first avenue related to AI. Earlier, it received a significant prepaid order for its silicon-based batteries from a leading AI and mixed reality (MR) technology company. The order filled the need for next-generation batteries tailored for head-worn MR wearables like smart glasses and augmented reality devices. To stay ahead of growing demand, particularly related to the defense and drone sectors, Enovix acquired a 330,000 square foot battery manufacturing facility from Solar Edge Technologies in South Korea. Enovix's intention is to integrate Solar Edge's team to enhance its R&D and manufacturing capabilities. CEO Raj Talluri emphasized that the expansion will streamline the supply chain, improve gross margins, and accelerate production. To more directly address R&D advancement, an 18,000 square foot R&D center in Hyderabad, India was opened to accelerate its second-generation AI-2 battery platform. The facility employs around 40 engineers and scientists and will focus on battery modeling, machine learning, and prototype development. Enovix plans to integrate its global teams across India, South Korea, and Malaysia to speed up development. The Hyderabad lab will produce up to 2,600 battery prototypes annually and can test up to 750 small cells simultaneously. On the financial front, Enovix's latest quarterly results showed revenue hitting $8 million, an 85% year-over-year increase. The company's balance sheet has been referred to as robust, with $648 million in cash, a 223% increase from last year. On top of that, recent capital activities like a $232 million warrant dividend and a $360 million convertible note issuance provide liquidity to support manufacturing and initiatives such as the expansion of Fab 2. Heading into the new year, an over $80 million 2026 global pipeline was reported. When looking at the stock side of things, Enovix authorized a share repurchase program to buy back up to $60 million of its common stock. The program, effective from June 30, 2025, through December 31, 2026, is meant to provide flexibility in managing its capital structure and returning value to shareholders. Repurchases may occur through open market or private transactions, depending on market conditions. When the plan was announced, CFO Ryan Benton emphasized the company's confidence in its long-term fundamentals and silicon anode battery technology. And it's exactly that kind of thinking that has cells of investors staying plugged into this stock despite occasional challenges in reaching persistent profitability as it keeps charging for greater market share and further commercialization. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.